Today we're gonna make this beautiful pumpkin pie dip. Fall is the perfect time for pumpkin recipes. So today we're gonna make this pumpkin pie dip. Can't wait for you guys to try it. So we have 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of pumpkin puree. We're gonna mix this together. We're gonna use a hand mixer. Perfect. Once it's all nice and creamy, now we're gonna add all of our sweetness. We have powdered sugar, brown sugar. We're gonna do vanilla extract, a teaspoon of that. We're gonna do ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And now we're gonna mix it again. So easy, nice and creamy. Now, to make it extra fluffy, we're gonna add some whipped cream. So we're gonna do 1/2 cup of whipped cream. Now you can make your own whipping cream, or I have store-bought. And now we're gonna fold this in. To make it nice and fluffy. That's it, look how easy this was. We're gonna mix this all together. This is a perfect dish to take to someone's house if you're going over, you don't know what to bring. Perfect, entertaining idea. And a crowd pleaser, definitely. So we fold that in. And to get it nice and firm, we're gonna take this and we're gonna refrigerate it for about 30 minutes so that it can set before we serve it. So we're gonna stick this in the fridge now. And while it's in the fridge, we're gonna get all of our other things that we're gonna use for dipping ready. So unlike other dips, for this one, you wanna have a little bit more sweet ingredients. So we have some wafers, some ginger snaps, and apple, of course. So I'm gonna leave the peel on for this one. I'm just gonna core it. Come out, there we go. We'll just do some apple slices. So I have a little wood platter here for displaying. And I have this adorable little ceramic pumpkin. Look how cute. I'm gonna put the pumpkin pie dip inside this, and I'm gonna link where you guys can purchase this on Amazon, as well as my pumpkin pie spice that I used earlier in the dish. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, don't worry. Click this link and I'll show you how you can make it at home. So we have our apple slices here. I'm gonna arrange them. And if you're doing a charcuterie table, you have guests over, this is another great item that you can add. So ginger snaps. This could be for appetizers or even dessert. Perfect, a little wafers. Give people some options. Amazing. So now with the magic of TV, it's been 30 minutes and we're gonna take our pumpkin pie dip out of the refrigerator. So we're gonna fill this up. Now, if you don't have a ceramic pumpkin or you didn't have time to click on my Amazon to buy one, you can also take a regular baby pumpkin that you have at home and you can hollow it out and you can use that for your dip. Perfect. I'll put this on the edge here. So it's ready to serve. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite entertaining products.